All right, so it's Corey Jordan, the income shifter of all income shifting, where we're going to get you your money shifting so it can work more for you and less for other people. So the way we do that is by showing a person how to put $300 to $500 or more back into their next paycheck. And that is such a huge thing because most people live paycheck to paycheck, and over 69% of people, can you believe that? 69% of the people have less than $1,000. They can't put their hands on $1,000 in their savings account. And most people don't even have $400. Can you imagine that? So income shifting is going to help the ordinary person, day-to-day grinder, the person that goes to work every day, put $300 to $500 or more into their next paycheck just by making a correction. So do you have 10 minutes to take out of your day to put hundreds of dollars, potentially thousands of dollars per week, per month, per day back into your pockets so that you can live the way you want to live and not live how you have to? And that is struggling for most people. So what we have here, and I already wrote this down, is that job number one. So imagine, I know a lot of you might make $5,000 a year, $5,000 a month, and you get taxed at $750. You can't do anything about FICA, and so that's $400, and state tax is $350 out of that $5,000 per month. So your take-home pay is roughly $3,500. Now, job two, because you went out and got a part-time job because they taxing you too much over here, so you got a part-time job. So to make up the difference and to put a little bit more money back into your pocket. So job number two, you out there Ubering. You out there Ubering, 60 more hours a week, a month, or whatever the case may be, just to make $1,000. So if you have two jobs, just for you to make $1,000, whatever that is to you, I would like to know your numbers so we can break it down. But this is the case that most people are in. They get taxed at a federal tax $150. Then you got the FICA is $90, state tax $60, take home pay is only $700. So they're doing all this time that they could have been spending with their family or doing some other things to make $1,000, but they out there Ubering, delivering pizza, Lyft. Then they got the scooter recharge thing here in San Antonio right now and some other cities. But you're only making $1,000, take home pay $700 a month. Is that, I don't know, that's a bad deal for the most part, because when you break $700 down, if you're doing that over 4 weeks, you're averaging about 150 or a little bit more per week. So we go back over here to job number one. That's why income shifting is so important. You got to do income shifting. If not, you're going to continue to be broke. No matter if you got another job. Number three, they still taxing you. So they're taxing you 2 or 3 times when you can just go over here to job number one, income shift, and bring in $700, $750, whatever the case may be, back into your paycheck, and you didn't have to get a second job. That's the power and the beauty of income shifting. You didn't go out there and work and do anything else about it. You just adjusted, corrected your W-4, and put that money back into your paycheck by income shifting, using the laws and the strategies that Congress has gave all of us to do. We just put it in a system that anybody can use. Now, if you don't want to use it, keep giving that money away. Or you say, well, I get it back in a tax refund. Well, who do you know gives a tax-free loan all year long and let somebody else give them some of their money back? Because you don't get it all back. Most people even end up owing, depending on their tax situation. So income shift, because it's money that you're giving away anyway. So if you want more information, look at the link below. It costs you nothing but time. This is costing you money, but you're already giving away your time. You're giving away in droves over here in job number 2 and whatever else you're doing. So click the link below and get the information so you can get your money back. But I'm Corey Jordan. I'll talk to you soon because I know you're going to want to do this. Ain't nobody in the world that's going to say, I want to keep giving it away. I'm fired up, baby. Income shift.